Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a haul with me. Now I haven't done one in a long time, specifically because when I get things, I don't tend to get things in one go, and I'm not one for waiting, but I got everything in all of these in one day, I should say. I got things randomly throughout the week, but I didn't put them in here because I opened them up already. I don't remember where they were. I can show you some of them, but that won't be, it won't be in this particular pile. But anyway, so let's get started. I'm going to show you this one on the top, and this one is, I believe this is from Dotty Moo, which is a shop on Etsy. I think that's it. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so I love how she wraps everything in some tissue paper. Let me just get you in a shot. And, oh, here we go. Oh, so pretty. Can you see that? Oh, let me zoom you in a little bit. There we go. So lovely, yes. And then there's this one here. I love this tissue paper. I think it's so pretty. There we go. Ooh, I love that. These two, there we go. So I got these four, and that's Dotty Moo right there. There we go. Well, no, flip it around. There we go. So pretty. I just love them. I think they're so pretty. Wow, use a new word. And she's attached them with washi, which pretty much matches the tissue, which is such a lovely touch. All right, so that's those four there. And actually, I have one of these that I got last week. Let me see if I can grab that. It took me a while, but here we go. This is it here. And it's so pretty. So, it's like a set. They've got a few more, or rather she's got a few more in her shop. But these are just the ones I wanted. I think they'll match with the theme that I currently have. And since I have this planner with me, I will show you something that I got this week. And here we go. Let me just, so pretty. I got that as well. I just love, 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 love that. All right, on D-Stash, I got this planner. This is just a personal sugar grapefruit from the Foxy Fix. And I got some of these right here. Just some bookmarks from this lovely lady, Natalie from the SquirrelPlanner. At the moment, she's just closed up what she was doing because she's just swamped with her work. So there's that. Let's move on to this package here. And this is actually simply gilded. This is, and the box is open, typical. Here we go. This is the paper and crane, and that is the April, yeah, that's the April box, and the box itself is just beautiful. I'm gonna just open that up. My last box, the March box, was squished and open just like this. Oh, and very nice. Okay. Okay, so these are the washies here. I'm just gonna open that up. There we go. Oh, so pretty. These are them here. You can see that? And they've got beautiful foiling. We've got beautiful polka dot bow washi. And the floral. Oh, my net. Actually, the inside, the rolls, I don't know if you can see that. It's different size fonts. That kind of bothers me, I must admit. Anyways, and then we have, oh, that's the paper that tells you what came with it. So we got journaling card, washi, pocket insert, feather pen, sticky notes, ooh, canvas print pouch, and Luxe functional and deco stickers. Now, I'll be honest, I never actually use her deco stickers. I think, personally, I don't think they have anything to do with the box. I don't know. But, oh, here's the pen. That must be what that's from. Actually, oh, it's really pretty, though. Let's take that right on it. Oh, jeez. Wright's nice at least. It's a bit thick. It's about, say, 5 or 7. Very pretty though. Right. Ooh, it's just coming everywhere. And then this is the pouch here. It's actually, I really like the colors. I love pastels in the summer. I think they just look so fabulous. They really pop in the summer. I don't know what it is, but you know what? That feels really, really good. So that's what that looks like. Oh, it's got rose gold hardware. Love that. Oh, look at that. It matches. What a lovely touch. Feels really good. I really like that. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. All right. Oh, and this must be the journaling card here. New heights, new hearts. That's so pretty though, isn't it? Ooh, I know exactly what I'm gonna use that for. I'm gonna use that for my new planner setup. All right, and so this must be the book. I don't use Pocket. I haven't used Pocket in a long time. But this is really pretty. I'll probably just end up giving this to my daughter or selling it on. Oh, it's just plain on the inside. Oh, mine. That's my son trying to play with the puppy. Oh, that is pretty. Those Post-it notes. This is luscious. Get that open. Oh, look at that. It's foiled. Yeah, they're all foiled. I'm always worried that's just the top that's foiled, but this everywhere. That's gonna go in my new setup, definitely. Oh, love that. Okay, and here are the stickers. I'll be honest. I think they'd be better if they were all deco. I don't see myself ever using this because it's not a full kit. First of all, I like to use full kits, or I do use I do use leftovers, which often does have maybe about three full boxes. But this is just a lot of headers here, and I need washi to help fill it out, or more functionals. I don't use all of these different types of check flags, excuse me. And these, I don't know. It's pretty. I'll definitely be putting that on a D-stash. Okay, so there's that. And here's the last thing. And this is my ratty mail, and this is from the Crafty Rats. So some of this is PR and some of this is from order. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull it. Oh, look at her sticker. So cute. Pull it out. Hopefully that thing falls out. Aha! Success. Okay. So, here we go. So she's wrapped it in tissue all around because some of this contains the her newest TN kit. So I'm just gonna grab what I remember as the kit. So this is not the kit though. This is her what do you call it? Her new full kit, and this is Crystal Galaxy's kit. And I think I'm gonna be using this in my next video or a couple videos for now. I have to decide, but it's so pretty actually. I love that. Oh, here we go. Some PR Ratties. How sweet are these? Oh, love them. Right here. So every time you use my code or any of the other girls' code, you get one of these. And my code for Crafty Rat, if you don't know, it's CRD Angie, ANGIE, and you get 15% off all orders over £5 minimum. So that's that, and they're cute. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think she's mixed up some of the TN kit. Okay, so I'm fairly certain this is part of the kit. So here we go. So some washi. It's really, it's thick. But then this one is big and thick as well. They kind of fit together. Easy storage. Oh, let's see. This one is like woodwork. It's got some beautiful foiling in that one. And then you've got this gorgeous charm. And that's from Planet Gorgeous. Must have been a lovely collaboration. And that is marble. So that's that one there. And these are the tabs and headers. I'm going to be honest, I don't normally use tabs that aren't my own. Or like with any, really it's any planner kit, I don't tend to use the tabs that come with, but that's just me. These are really pretty. She's done a great job. Love them. I love that. It's pretty. Oh, and it comes with some headers. There we go. Oh, come on now. So put that in. And if you don't know, her plastic is actually biodegradable, so you can put that in the compost. Like her plastic coverings. And these are the die cuts here. Let me... Okay. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, jeepers. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like that. You can put like your name or something in there. I like that. Lots. Oh, come on, go off one. We'll just put that back. I want to look at this inserts. So every kit that's ordered actually comes with an insert, and if I remember correctly, each insert is actually matched to the size of to the size of the wrap pack that you get, which is the name of the kit itself. So it's really cool. So if, for instance, I ordered a B6 size and B6 comes. So that's that. It's got nice craft paper on the outside, perfect for doing a little bit of scrap work. And oh, that's lovely. Look at that. You got your dot grid. Lovely on the oh, I love that print. Very pretty. And the paper is nice and lush. Very smooth. Very smooth. Be good for if you have just a regular ballpoint pen. That'd be perfect with that. And then we have, oh, okay. So I know, there you go, see? This bag is biodegradable. I just ripped it. So you can just put these in the compost. So I know some of this is not part of the kit. Let me see if I can take that out. Okay, here we go. Oh, here we go. The headers, this comes with the weekly kit, which you can get separately. And I'm just going to put that over there. And there's the cleaning ones. This is perfect for when I do my weekly kits. Not my weekly kits, my plan. My plan with me. Okay, and this is not part of the kit either. It's very pretty though, isn't it? I love the vellum. Well done. Love that. Perfect. And then I believe the rest of this is part of the kit. Let me take that out. Okay, so what we have here is, oh, some stickers. I think that might be part of the kit. That's cute, isn't it? Oh, that's so pretty. I like that. That's definitely part of the kit. So we've got decorative phrases. That's cute. So you can like put that across your die cuts or something. To do like, take one and just shove it across. I think that'd be really pretty. Then we've got some decorative skizzers. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Decorative stickers. And then match the ephemera really well. And then we got vellum, which I love that. That's really pretty. Oh, we got one more vellum here. I think that's the same one. Oh no, I see. One's big, one's smaller in print. Do you see the size of that? So it's like, there we go. Okay, you see that? Size difference? It's very lovely though. Very pretty. It's gonna look great in my setup. And then these are, okay, this is the dashboards. Oh, I see. She's cut them. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay, that must be the matching size. That's really pretty. So what I would do, cut it along this way to match perfectly. Really lovely. And then this must be, oh, this must be the other part of that. Maybe not. Oh, I'm confused now. Oh, no, it is. Okay. You see that. Very pretty. I like that. Ah, it's such a pretty kit. I love blues. If you're a blue person, like, this is for you. And then we've got the last one right there. Perfect for, you know, when you do your TN, because it's already cut down the middle, so you're not going to have that issue. So if you make your own dashboards like I do sometimes, you've got that already, and then you just need to trim the rest of the part. Or if you've got like Foxy Fix vinyl dashboards, just slip it in. Perfect. Okay, and I think that's everything. So I'm just going to put everything together. All right, and that's everything. If you'd like to, follow me in my next video, which will be a setup of this wonderful new rat pack from Crafty Rat Designs. And yeah, hit subscribe if you'd like to see more, and hit the thumbs if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time, you guys. Bye.